Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are like me and love anything chocolate and peanut butter, then Reese's peanut butter cups are probably one of your first loves. So I have been a huge fan of Reese's peanut butter cups my entire life, and it's because they're an amazing classic. You can't go wrong. They have a really delicious milk chocolate with a peanut butter filling. It is an awesome ratio, lots of peanut butter to chocolate, and I just love them. So I like this particular packaging because this has 2 peanut butter cups, which is the perfect amount to satisfy your craving and not go overboard. So I like to have things that give me a little bit of portion control, so this really does the trick. These are perfect to just eat on their own. They're great because there's 2 if you want to share with a friend. They're also awesome to put into different baked goods. You can put them on top of ice cream. There's so many different things that you can do with these, or just eat them as they are. They are very, very tasty. So if you're looking for a really delicious classic peanut butter chocolate snack, definitely check out this Reese's peanut butter cups. I love them. That's my point of view.